I'm expecting to hear from some of the smartest, most innovative thought leaders in the commercial PropTech space.
We're excited to have what is, I think, both our most impactful and our most intimate demo day event so far.
We very quietly have assembled what is, in my opinion, the #1 strategic investment group in the entire planet, are backing the companies that you're going to see today.
I'm looking for how technology is helping us think differently about the value that we find in our real estate portfolio.
Artificial intelligence is changing the retail marketplace as we now know it.
Toll Brothers is always interested in learning what's next in real estate, and MetaProp is right on the pulse of it all.
Real-time control of that facility allows us to do something that nobody else can do.
This is the first step towards a much larger mission, which is creating the smart building of the future.
The partnership that we have with MetaProp has enabled us to be able to get early access to a lot of these startups.
This is a nearly $7 billion revenue opportunity. We have a very strong technical team with deep construction knowledge.
I'm really looking forward to hearing more about the efficiencies that information is bringing to bear on construction industry, property management.
And we can now use machine learning to start automating your property operations.
In June, when I met MetaProp, and their pre-accelerator became a company. By October, I raised a seed round led by AA Ventures, and last week we entered our first market.
MetaProp's the only place that can bring together the business, the tech, the investment.
We run a FinTech Innovation Lab program, so I think there may be some interesting possibilities of connecting the two companies coming out of this program with what we're doing as well.
What I'm looking to see is what's the future of this business. I want to get ideas for our own company. I want to get ideas for us to invest in, for us to deploy, and this is why I come to you guys.